पे धरती बदले रंग. India, where after every step land changes its color. The color of culture, language, people. And Toastmaster Namita, with her speech, made us to relive and re-experience that essence. The way she was explaining each and every culture, like Punjabi family, the use of connected words, the adjectives, like for Punjabi family, she explained how they like food, the whistling of cooker, the noise, the joint family. For Christian family, she used adjectives like they are full of joyous, they like party and all. And this way she grabbed the audience attention very well. She also used the voice modulation, like when she said, when grandma called her, "Kithe chaliye?" She changed her voice modulation when she said that Christian auntie called her. She used, "Hey, come here." This way the voice modulation was there and it was really commendable on the part of the speaker. She also used the stage movement from here to here mostly. When she was saying they shifted from every after 3 years and all, she was using the stage from here to here. Now how she can make that speech more impactful and leave an impression on audience. So I have 3 recommendations for that. First is relating to the tonality. From tonality, like usage of sad tone or happier tone. When she said that single mother was living there, she was managing everything alone. She could have used the voice tonality. There was a single mother. She was managing everything alone. With expression and tonality, it could have been more impactful. Next recommendation, my next recommendation is related to she could have used more in the speech, like when she explained everything. She reached on the third floor. We were expecting that more experience is coming. So because the objective of the speech is to how Toastmaster envisioned the mentoring, she could have used the experience she get in Toastmaster, like she is the president. If, like many people would have helped her from inside or outside the club, she could have shared some experience from that, so that audience will also get to know that how Toastmaster helps in the speakers and mentors to reach to that position. The next recommendation related to the stage movement, like when she said she went on market for buying the milk, she could have started from here. I went on our market, bought the milk and came. Like this way, like 2 and 4, it was only limited from here to here. So overall the speech was well structured, it was conclusive. She gave the conclusion that how she perceives the mentoring and motivation. However, I would suggest the speaker to work on tonality and look at the objectives of the speech.